Hello and welcome to this Hewlett-Packard Enterprise Fortify video tutorial. Today we'll be learning how to remediate some common security issues in the PHP language. This video assumes that both the Fortify Static Code Analyzer and Audit Workbench are installed and running. It also assumes that the user is familiar with running scans. Before starting this video, scan and open the sync.php sample project located in the samples folder. In Audit Workbench, open the Security Auditor filter to view the issues. Under the High Issues tab, open the Possible Variable Overwrite folder. Select the issue to view recommendations and other details on it. Click on the Recommendations tab to see different ways to fix this issue. Looks like we need to add an extra skip argument to prevent the function from overwriting global variables. Add the extra skip argument to the function call. Now with that issue taken care of, let's go to the Criticals tab. It's important that we resolve these issues quickly. Select the SQL Injection folder. You should read the summary, details, and recommendations. We will be rewriting the function to use parameterized SQL query statements. First, delete the original mysql_query command. Put the original parameters into an array. Set up the SQL query to execute and store it in a variable. The function we use to execute the command takes 3 arguments. Con is an open connection, SQL is the SQL query to execute, and params is the parameter array. This means that the query is executed regardless of the parameter's contents. That takes care of that issue. Now, open the cross-site scripting issue. This issue shows up when an attacker can hijack the SQL query to run outside scripts. The most secure way to eliminate this issue is to only whitelist certain characters to be used in your queries. However, if you don't know which characters you're going to be using, you can always blacklist certain dangerous characters instead. It's not as secure, but it can be more flexible than whitelisting. First, put a print statement into a variable. Then use the function HTML special chars, which will blacklist dangerous HTML characters into entities. With all of the critical issues and the high issues settled, let's save the file and scan again. Now let's rescan the program. Clean the build, translate it, then scan it. Let's open up the resulting scan file in Audit Workbench. Note that the issues that we addressed have now disappeared from the scan. Note that the cross-site scripting issue has moved from a critical issue to a medium issue. This is because we've only blacklisted harmful characters without whitelisting any specific characters we wish to use. In order to secure the site further, we will need to only use whitelisted characters. It is up to your security auditor to decide which characters to be whitelisted for your application. You can find the documentation for all Fortify products at protect724.hp.com. If you have any questions, technical support can be reached at fortifytechsupport@hp.com. Thank you.